Okay, so let's make this tutorial real quick. It's about average and average A function. So first I want to show you how to do the average function. We want to first calculate the average of the month January, and we do this by entering the equal sign into the cell and typing in average, opening the parentheses and marking the region we want to get the average from, closing the parentheses, hitting the enter button, and get the average of 383.333. We can do this also the same way for February and March, but we can do this really quick by dragging it under the month and getting the average of the same region of the month. But we want also to get the average of the employees, and we do this by hitting the equal sign, typing in average again, opening parentheses, marking the region we want to average, closing parentheses, and hitting the enter button. We drag this down again on the right down corner. We can drag it down and we get the average of the different employees per month. Yeah, so what's different to the averageA function? So we see this is the average function, the normal one I've showed you before, and this is the averageA function. So basically the average function is only calculating numbers like 1 to 100 and 1000, but doesn't calculate any other symbols. The averageA function is taking every other symbol, like a letter A, as the number 0. So if we type in a 0, an X for the 2, we get 2 for averageA because we get here a 0, and 2.666 for the average because average is only calculating the 1, 3, and 4. We can do this also for the 3. We can type in an A, and we get again different averages. First we get for 2.5 the average function 1 and 4, and for the averageA function we get 1, 0, 0, and 4, and the average of it. So that's it with the video. I hope I could help you, and have a nice one.